Hi, I'm Eddie Pickering. I'm Managing Director here at Beatson Clark. Today we're having our 275th anniversary celebrations here at our base in Rotherham. So today we are welcoming both customers, old and new, from around the world to celebrate the 275th anniversary along with us, and we're very pleased to have customers present.
I'm Paul Harrison from HS French Flint. I'm very pleased to support Beatson Clark today. We've been wholesalers of Beatson Clark glass for 61 years. I've personally been involved with them for the best part of 50 years. We've always found them to be such a friendly and good supplier. I mean, 275 years is something big, isn't it?
I'm Matthew Kay. I'm the Public Affairs Lead at British Glass. I've been with the organisation for about 2.5 years now, and prior to starting with them I had no background in the glass sector. But Beatson Clark are one of the first of our members that I've met. Always made me feel really welcome, invited me around to the sites, great communication whenever I've needed any support in getting messages to members of Parliament, and I just wanted to come along today to really be part of the celebration and to thank them for all the work that they've done over the last few years with me.
My name is Sarah Champion, and I'm really proud to be the MP for Rotherham, which is where Beatson Clark is based and has been for 275 years. Today we've been celebrating everything that is made here. It goes into so many of our products that you don't even consider. So from drinks bottles to medicine bottles, they're all made here. It's also the UK's only UK-owned glass manufacturer, and there are very few glass manufacturers left in this country. It's a precious thing. I've been fighting really hard in Parliament to make sure that Beatson Clark can survive for another 275 years, because these are good jobs and the product they make is infinitely recyclable. So if we really want a sustainable economy, we need Beatson Clark to survive.